Hi my friends, and welcome to UnWine with Janet. I am so excited today because today I will be doing one of my all-time favorite. It's gonna be barbecue jerk chicken. Now this is gonna be the quick and easy way to do a barbecue jerk chicken, just in case you do not want to spend too much time in the kitchen, okay? But guess what? It's gonna taste great regardless. So come let me show you how we do it. Now to make the most juiciest barbecue jerk chicken, you're gonna need your chicken, of course, as well as your jerk barbecue sauce. I went ahead and I made my own green seasoning. Now the description with all the ingredients will be in the link below. Some seasoning salt, oregano and black pepper, and just a little bit of salt, garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, and a little bit of browning. Now this is optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. Alright, so now you know all the ingredients that I will be using to make this barbecue jerk chicken. All I'll be doing now is getting everything on the chicken pieces, making sure that they're all coated, marinate for 20 minutes. If you have the time, you can marinate overnight for at least 24 hours. That will give the seasoning more time to soak into that chicken and you get a better flavor from it. But in this case, I'm going to only marinate for at least 20 minutes. Now for the green season that I'm using, it's basically blending together your onion, your scallion, your thyme, some garlic, and other herbs. And I'll put a description in the box so you can have an idea as to what I use. It adds a lot of flavor because I'm only not using the dry seasoning. This I can incorporate because I didn't want to have all the lumps of the scallion and the pepper and all that in the chicken. So it's better to blend it so you can get a smooth consistency. Because I love the flavor of this barbecue jerk sauce, I am using an extra amount. So this is about 5 tablespoonfuls. So you use whatever you want to use. It's all up to you. The flavor is a bit milder, so you don't have to worry about too much heat. And after everything, you just combine. Make sure all your pieces are properly coated. Put it to marinate for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, you take it out. You tray it up and it's ready for your oven. Now your oven should be preheated to at least 350 degrees, and we're going to try and bake these to at least 1.5 hours. Now it depends on the size of your chicken. If you have a smaller chicken, then you're going to have to watch your time. I'll be baking these for at least 1.5 hours or until the temperature reach at least 165 degrees. So always remember, even if it doesn't go to 1.5 hours, as long as your temperature is at 165 degrees, your chicken is ready. I must point out also that this is my version of a quick Jamaican style barbecue jerk chicken. The authentic jerk chicken is done totally differently because then you'll have to blend all your herbs together instead of using a store-bought bottle of jerk seasoning. So in another video, I will definitely show you how to make the real authentic homemade jerk spice to go on your chicken. All right, I promise you that. So now the chicken is all ready for the oven, and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees, and within the hour or so we're going to pull it out just so you can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like within an hour. All I'm going to do now is to baste it with some jerk barbecue sauce, and this adds extra flavor and moisture to it because I did not cover the chicken while it was in the oven because I wanted to acquire that nice golden brown color. Now if during baking you realize that your chicken is getting a little bit browner than you want it to, number one, it means that maybe your heat is too high, and then you can always use a piece of tin foil to cover over your chicken so it doesn't burn anymore or darker than you want it to. Now after I'm through basting, I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes because at that time the temperature was about 160. So 165 is the perfect temperature, and this is what it looks like after 5 minutes. It's at 165 degrees and it's well done. It's juicy, it's not too dried out, and it's just perfect. So this quick and easy barbecue jerk chicken can be enjoyed with just about anything, whether it's white rice, rice and peas, or bami, or festival, or if you're more health conscious, a little side salad. It's delicious with just about anything. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video. What good? Till we see you next time, alright?